Hi students, today we will be talking about the next phase of chapter 10, Antarctica. So let us begin the chapter. In this class we will be talking about three topics mainly. The first one will be resources and their utilization in Antarctica. The second topic may be humans in Antarctica, human settlements in Antarctica, and the last topic will be Indians in Antarctica, the impact of Indian society in Antarctica, or the influence of India, the country, seventh largest country in the world, in Antarctica. So let us begin the chapter. Yeah. So the first of all, we will be talking about resources and their utilization. What are the different kinds of resources that we can see in the icy continent, which is situated in the North Pole, Antarctica? Let us see what all things we have. Resources and their utilization. The explorations carried out by teams of experts sent by different countries indicate that minerals such as coal and iron ore are buried deep under the ice. Scientists predict the existence of gold, petroleum, and various other minerals also. However, due to the high cost of cutting through the thick layers of ice, commercial mining has never been done. Presently, mining and competing for resources are banned by international agreements. Actually, the sea around Antarctica has huge number of krill. Before that, we need to see this page, this diagram. Here you can see the road diagram of Antarctica and the impact, or what we call the deposit of different minerals in Antarctica. Here you can see coal, zinc, then what we call uranium, then ferrum. Ferrum means iron, titanium, nickel, chromium, silver, everything right there. You can see the picture, the diagram of the deposit, a resource deposit in Antarctica. Next, the sea around Antarctica has a huge number of krill. Krill means it's a kind of shrimp. Krill are very small but are rich in protein. Whales, seals, penguins, and fish feed on them. Their protein-rich meat is being used for making krill meat paste or krill meat paste. The Antarctic cod is also fished in Antarctic waters. Fishing in these waters is an important economic activity. Now we will be talking about the humans in Antarctica, human beings in Antarctica, or human community in Antarctica. Here you can see a picture. Where did we come from? A man is asking to the other person. From where? From where did we come from? Antarctica has no permanent human inhabitants, and there are no countries on this continent. However, India and many other countries like USA, Russia, France, the UK, Australia, New Zealand, Argentina, South Africa have set up permanent base camps in Antarctica. The people at these base camps are the only temporary inhabitants of the continent. These people are mostly scientists and technically skilled personnel. Scientists believe that the exploration of Antarctica may help us learn more about the Earth and the atmosphere. They also believe that the weather in this continent may influence the weather over the rest of the world. The camp in Antarctica have been erected specially to withstand the harsh climate, including the strong winds. They are provided with frozen canned food, electric generators, special vehicles, stuff, etc. Tourists are allowed to visit Antarctica through they can stay only for a few days. Quite a large number of them visit the continent during the summer every year. So now we will talk about Indians in Antarctica. What is Indian people doing, or what is Indian community doing in Antarctica? Let us go through it. The first Indian expedition to Antarctica was launched from Goa in 1981. After this, there have been more than 30 Indian expeditions to the continent. Dakshina Gangotri. This is Dakshina Gangotri. Dakshina Gangotri is set up between 1982 and 1985, was the first Indian camp in Antarctica. It was abandoned around 1990 and converted into a supply base. By then, a new permanent camp called Maitri had been built. Maitri is an all-weather camp located in a rocky, mountainous region called the Shirmachar Oasis. Scientists can live here throughout the year and conduct experiments in various departments of polar research. Maitri has facilities such as good library and laboratory and a modern communication system. Maitri is now maintained by National Center for Antarctic and Ocean Research, NCAOR. This organization, set up in 1998 under the Department of Ocean Development, also presently conduct India's Antarctic expeditions. India has set up a new research station called Bharati. Kindly note it down, Bharati, which has been working since 2013. This has put up India in an elite group of countries with multiple research stations in Antarctica. In terms of resources, Antarctica offers a little to the world at present. However, it does offer a unique opportunity for scientists to discover many unknown facts about the Earth that could benefit mankind in the years to come. So this is all about what we call Indians, the Indian expeditions in Antarctica. We were talking about Dakshina Gangotri, then Maitri and Bharati. These are the three names that we need to keep in mind when we talk about Indians in Antarctica or Indian expeditions in Antarctica. And we were talking about Indian expeditions. We were talking about the scientific researches which happens in Antarctica, and we were talking about humans in Antarctica, human settlements in Antarctica, and we were talking about resources and utilization in Antarctica. What are the different resources that we can get from Antarctica? We were talking about mineral deposits in Antarctica. Then we were talking about mining, I mean the impact of resources and the resource deposition in Antarctica. And yeah, these are the things that we were talking about chapter in chapter 10. Hope you have understood the chapter. I wish a very good luck. We will meet you the very next day. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.